My name is Shrees. I'm an attorney in Virginia, and if you've been charged with stalking, call my office at 888-437-7747. There are defenses to this charge, and more often than not, I can help you. Stalking is a malicious behavior that includes repetitively showing up at an estranged partner's house or causing fear or apprehension in another person. In other words, it's not a one-time event. Just because you followed somebody briefly for a short period of time does not mean that you can be charged with stalking. However, if you do it repetitively and you cause fear in that person, or if you have been following somebody repetitively and that person tells you, please don't come near me, you can be charged with stalking. Now, keep in mind that we see stalking charges most often between parties who have broken up or between divorce parties, and sometimes where people stalk celebrities. If you have been charged with stalking, call my office at 888-437-7747. If you have been charged with stalking, odds are there's also going to be a restraining order filed against you. Now, let's talk about the Virginia's laws towards stalking. Again, stalking is defined as repetitive conduct which places a person or his or her family in fear of death, sexual assault, or bodily injury. So, if you're being accused of this offense, you can try to show that nothing you did caused any of those kind of reactions in someone. Now, again, it has to be repeated. It has to be repeated threats to harm a person's family or that person themselves or their close friends. The penalties for stalking are pretty serious. A first offense is a Class 1 misdemeanor, and the state automatically issues a restraining order with the stalking charge. For a third time, stalking or related charges within the previous 5 years, you can be then charged with a Class 6 felony, and that is even more serious because now the penalties go up to 5 years in prison. Here's what you need to know about a stalking charge. According to 18.2-60.3, what the court's going to be looking for is the intent or knowledge that repeated acts cause reasonable fear in the other person. Again, a first offense is a Class 1 misdemeanor. Repeated offenses that result in violations of stalking within 5 years is a Class 6 felony. If you've been charged with stalking, call my office at 888-437-7747. Thank you.